Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good, and today's video I am going to show you guys a little spring clean with me video. I'm going to show you cleaning my living area and changing things around a little bit, and I'm also going to show you guys how I'm cleaning and organizing my kitchen and my pantry and all that stuff. It's just going to be a clean with me video. I hope you guys like it. If you want me to film more such videos, like maybe cleaning my closet or decluttering my closet or cleaning my room, whatever, just let me know in the comment section below. I would be so happy to do it for you all. And also I'm gonna do like a balcony makeover video. I'm just not sure when I'm gonna do it, but I'm definitely going to do one balcony makeover video. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. So this is my current living area, and I have that couch there which I used to read, and I have this settee kind of a thing. It's actually a TV stand, but I rarely use it. These are just my towels. I need to remove it. So I have this, and it's a very small living place. I have this coffee table, and on this side I have this couch. So I have this whole couch, and I have that over there. So this is what the current scenario is. I'm gonna change things a little bit. I'll definitely move this big couch in this corner. So I'm done with my living area. It looks really nice, and I'm going to show you guys quickly how it looks. Let me just turn off. And I'm quickly going to show you guys how it looks. And it took me a lot of time, actually, much more than what I anticipated. But so far it looks good. I haven't decorated anything as such because I don't have much stuff to decorate honestly right now, but I do have some things that I might do later in spring. But for now I'm done with cleaning. So my couch is now on this side of the room, and that's my bedroom, so it's like right next to my wall. And this is my center table, which is, and I just have this fake plant on top of it. And this is like my favorite corner right now. It looks so pretty. I have these lights strung down, and this is like going to be my study or my working nook. I'm gonna work here or I'm gonna study here. I might actually remove this lamp because it looks hideous with everything. It's too big for the table, and I'm not sure where I should keep it. I might keep it on this side. Actually, let's keep it here. Let me see. So I think now it looks better. I don't know. So this is going to be like my study nook, and then so I'm going to keep some of my novels over here and this Buddha picture, and I have this coaster. Then I have all of my like stuff in here, some snacks, some masalas and everything. And this this drawer is quite random. I still have to fill this up. So yeah. This was all that I did, and now it's time to go for my pantry. Although it's very late, it's around 5 o'clock. I don't know how much good lighting I'll get, but I still want to complete that part. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys how I'm gonna do my pantry thing, and then let's see how it looks. So this is the current situation of my pantry. It is super messy. I have all of this stuff tucked inside, and then top shelves are like empty. I also have some stuff over here which is also super random, and then I have some stuff over here as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out everything from there and keep it on this aisle. And before that, I'm gonna make myself a really nice cup of iced coffee, because I'm really craving some iced coffee right now. So to make my coffee, I'm going to show you guys how I make my iced coffee today. I have soy milk. I use oat milk, soy milk, not almond milk, but whatever you have and whatever you want to use. And then I just add this much ice, and then I just pour my coffee over it. Then I use this thing to just juice it. Okay, so I have my coffee here, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to organize the stuff. So I bought these yesterday. These are actually mason jars. So these are for my spices, because my spices were going bad and I really wanted to buy one, like something. And then I have these mason jars. These are going to be for the other stuff that I use on an everyday basis. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start taking out everything from my cupboard, and then I'm gonna see what all things would fit inside these mason jars, and then I'll start organizing these as well. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Hi guys, so I didn't end the vlog yesterday and I was just editing the footage and I saw that I still can add some things in here. So I wanted to show you guys my March plan with me, and I did a bullet journal in my last to last video. I showed you guys how my bullet journal for February went and some of you really liked it, so I thought I'll try and keep up with my bullet journal series, every theme that I'm coming up for every single month. Although I'm still late, it's 2nd of March today, and by the time this video uploads it will be 3rd, 4th or 5th of March. Somewhere around that time I'm expecting to upload this video. I'm going to Dallas right now, like literally I leave in half an hour, and I was just doing some work on my bullet journal today, so I thought I'll share it with you guys. So I thought I'll show you guys how my February journal went, like bullet journal went for me, and then I'll show you guys what all new things I'm adding in my March bullet journal, just to spice up this video and to add an extra thing inside the vlog. Okay, so I have my bullet journal right over here. This was for February, you guys saw this, and this was my goal. I actually did lose like 1.5 kgs of weight, but obviously I did not do other things. Then I have this habit tracker, and as you can see, I did pretty well on this habit tracker. I was pretty like regular, and I obviously lost my workout schedule during the last week of February. And then this is my mood tracker. I didn't fill this up, but I was, because I don't remember how 29th went actually. I was very tired, and I had just one day when I was anxious for some reason. Then I have my 29 things I love about myself. I did fill a lot of this, but then I lost track in between, and these are like my brain dump ideas. And then this is my weekly spread. In the last week I actually made it like this, and it did not work for me. It was all clustered and very, you know, very hodgepodge, and I liked this spread a lot. I was very regular, but I didn't do Saturday and Sunday because I was just doing my things that day. But this way I think it works the best for me. It's spacious, it gives me more space to write my weekly everyday things. And then I have my March plan with me. So this is how my March bullet journal looks like. If you can see, I have habit tracker over here, and I have added water, no buy, workout, research. I still have to fill this up. I'm gonna do it on the way, but I still wanted to show you guys. I have YouTube, and I have 100 calories, so I'm gonna try and eat only 100 calories a day. It's like a diet plan that I'm trying to follow to lose weight. So I have this, and I have all of this in like this green color because of spring. Obviously I really like it. Then I have my mood tracker. I have this grow through life, and then I have all these leaves to fill in. This page is blank. I really want to use it for some nice quote, but I can't think of anything, so I'm just gonna leave it right now. I might fill it up later. And then I have the spring to-do list. I have some things on my mind that I want to achieve for spring, and some goals that I want to achieve, so I'm gonna fill this up. It should be very exciting to fill it actually. And then this is my brain dump section. I didn't use a lot of brain dump in my last February plan with me, so I'm just gonna keep it over here. If this works for me, I'm gonna keep this page. Otherwise, from next bullet journal onwards, I'm just gonna skip it. And here I'm gonna make my to-do lists for like my weekly logs over here. So this is what it looks like. So far I like it. So yeah guys, this was all about it. I hope you guys like this kind of thing, and I might complete it on my way because it's like a 6-hour drive and I'm not even driving, so I might just fill this up and I'll be back tomorrow. So I'm gonna edit this video tomorrow midnight. I'll be back, so I'll try to edit this video tomorrow or day after tomorrow and then upload it as soon as possible. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope you guys like the video. Next month for April, I promise I'll be regular and I'll upload before the month begins from April onwards. So yeah guys, this was all about it. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you liked my new living area. I'm really enjoying this space. It's not very decorative, but it has definitely made the space more, you know, spacious and airy and lighted. So I really like it. I hope you guys like the video. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments how are you liking the uploads. If there's something you want me to cover, talk about, discuss or show, let me know. And yeah, thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.